Now this is question 11 of the year 1983. A mixture of common salts, ammonium chloride and barium sulfate can best be separated by A. Addition of water followed by filtration then sublimation. B. Addition of water followed by sublimation then filtration. C. Sublimation followed by addition of water then filtration. D. Fractional distillation. E. Fractional crystallization. Can you guess what the answer is? All right, let's see. And the correct answer is C. Sublimation followed by the addition of water then filtration. Now already you know that having sodium chloride in the question, you're going to have something related with sublimation. So this is why it's correct, because you're going to have to first sublime off ammonium chloride, then you add water, whereby you filter off the common salts and you're left with barium sulfate.